keep on moving. The ambulance. So I don't know, we're gonna try to get out of the way. Just gonna take a look real quick here. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so right here, walking across and there's a fire. So we're gonna go check out the fire and see what happened. So we have the camera, and I just saw, looked like a little bit of activity up on the wall, but we're gonna see what we can see when we get near here. And you can also just kind of see what's going on in general. So we have a fire. I have to go kind of carefully because I don't want to disrupt anything. But we have the fire here, and the water is going into the building. So it looks like it's actively doing something. Let's see. We have to keep on moving. The ambulance. So I don't know, we're gonna try to get out of the way. Just gonna take a look real quick here. So I don't know what's all happening, but we'll try to get out of the way a little bit. So you can see the ambulance, there's one fire and they're bringing a hose up into the top floor, which is above me. Then we have another one here. So we have about 4 or 5 trucks. We have another police officer. And we have more here too. So I don't know exactly what's happening, but we can try to see a little bit. There's another one. So something happened in this building, and we're just gonna see, we're gonna walk through photographing there. We're gonna sneak by. Let me see. Something happened. Okay. So it might be on the tail end of it. But we're gonna end this here. So we're gonna end this one. So I don't know exactly what happened, but I didn't really realize that they can get water out of here, like fire hydrants, out of stuff like this. So that's where they get it. And I guess we will end it here. And something happened up here, but I'm not sure exactly what it was. Okay, so earlier we had our fire. This is exactly what happened. So this was the one that was in fire up here, I believe. So that's where the fire department was at. And just as an aside, there's kind of cool artwork on this computer that you don't generally notice on this wall, the building. But yeah, so that was where the fire was at. Right up there. And maybe up there too, so maybe it was like this. So maybe it came up here, maybe? It's hard to say. Definitely up there. Somebody up there? So somewhere up there anyways. Stopping, so I'm going to get it a little closer. So actually up in these windows I just saw some police. So they're checking out the crime scene. So that must have been the origin of the fire right there, right where that, or if the police were there or there. See if they come up to the window again, but that was actually where the fire would have been, so. Yeah, when I had the camera down I could see them, and then now they're, okay. And that's our cool artwork on that same building. Pretty cool. Okay. So that happened today. I'll try to put this on YouTube today so it's up there.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha, toma cuidado da movidinha.